welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Kisore Guns, another one in the back. 1-0 to Orlando Pirates. Wow, what a beautiful goal by Mbokazi.
Astin, first of all, I want to greet Newtown branch all here in the stadium.
Yes.
And Silapa, we're a happy nation, happy people. Another, if you want to be happy, marry Pirates. This is a marriage, and I'm happy to be married to Pirates, once and always. Because one thing about Mbokazi, he's taking the armband into heart, and he's making us proud each and every game. And I'm sure he's growing bigger and bigger by the game. Guys, this is just the beginning. You haven't seen all the colors. Give this man his colors while he's still young and growing, so that he can prove himself. And I'm sure going to the break in the national team, he's going to grow bigger again. Nyamthemba Mbokazi. And I'm proud to see umfana lo bampili iambend. Yeah. I'm proud of him. Yes.
Beautiful one, Pagania. And then we saw some of the substitutions. What do you make of Ikemi Master Chef?
My friend, one thing about coach is tactical. A team learner. It was fast ekuqaleni, but then we didn't have umuntu o distributor iball. We need somebody to distribute that ball, and the introduction of Master Chef was a very important one, and it helped us. The crowd abantu in one corner. At some point they were all flooded looking for him. Yet Mbokazi was free to give us that excellent goal.
And then we saw Mahopa missing a penalty. What's your words of encouragement to him?
But I like to address my fans who boo our players when they get such days. No one is a king. No one is righteous. No one is ever perfect. Uchomami we failed today, but that doesn't say tomorrow is not going to give us a goal. He's not going to make us proud. Last week he was scoring for us, and today he failed. It's just one of those days. But we support you every day. We 17. Makopa, we loving you every day.
Bopa.